Hello, Madam and Sir. I am Jayan Diaz from Cali, Dumagas, Iloilo, Philippines. I am 33 years old, college level HRM course from East Coast, Dumagas campus. I am single mom, but I have 3 kids, ages 14, 11, and 2 years old and 5 months. I am second child in my family, and then I have working experience in Hong Kong for 3 years and 5 months. They have 5 members in the house. The ages is 59, 57, 26, and 23, and 18 years old. My main duties is cleaning the house, washing, ironing, marketing, gardening, car washing, and then I have pet chihuahua.
How many helpers in your employer's house?
One only.
Do you have experience in taking care of a newborn baby?
I don't have experience, but I have experience in my own children.
By
Changing diaper, changing clothes, cooking for food of them, and then take care of them if they have a sick, and then bathing.
How about children? Do you have any experience?
Yes, ma'am.
What if the child is naughty? What are you going to do?
I will talk to them in a nice way, and then ask for them to playing the toys, and then if they want to go outside, so I will walk for them.
Are you capable enough in tutoring children?
Yes, ma'am. To counting, drawing, writing, and singing.
Are you willing to take care of an invalid or elderly person?
Yes, ma'am.
What if you will feel homesick? What are you going to do?
I will do busy to work.
What if your employer is strict and demanding? What are you going to do?
I will talk to them in a nice way.
If you have misunderstanding with your employer, what are you going to do?
I will say sorry and then do not do again.
Do you mind your holiday will not be scheduled on Saturday or Sunday?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I will work in Hong Kong for our financial need of my family, and then for my future of my children.
Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing us a children's song?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
So what is your message to your future employer?
Hello, Madam Sir. If you choose me as your domestic helper, I will do my best to work and responsible for main duties, and then I will promise to finish my contract. If you want to renew me, so I will stay in you. And have a nice day, and thank you. Goodbye. See you soon in Hong Kong.